Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Saima Shahid and I welcome you all for the 7th lecture of mathematics for class 10th. Students, we are on the unit number 1 of quadratic equation, and the topic which we are doing is equation reducible to quadratic form. Students, we already studied about the type 1, type 2 and type 3 of the reducible equation, and in today's lecture we are going to study about the type 4 and type 5 of the reducible. Type 4 of the reducible equations are called the exponential equations. Students, these are the equation in which variable occurs in exponent. Look at that example. In this example, 5 raised to power 1 plus x plus 5 raised to power 1 minus x equals to 26. Here the variable of this equation x is in exponents. That's why this equation is called the exponential equation. Now students, look at that question number 12 of exercise 1.3. The question is 4 into 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. Students, this is an example of the exponential equation. Here 4 is multiplying with 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 and 9 is multiplying with 2 raised to power x. For the solution of this equation, let's take this equation, and then students, we will split this 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 in two terms, and it can be written in 4 into 2 raised to power 2x into 2 minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. Further students, this 4 is going to be multiplied with this 2 and the answer becomes 8 into 2 raised to power 2x minus 9 into 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. Now this equation is our equation number 1. For it we will put some substitution. So we'll take 2 raised to power 2x equals to y. Now students, taking square of the both sides, when we take the square of both sides, equation becomes 2 raised to power 2x equals to y square. And now by putting 2 raised to power x equals to y and 2 raised to power 2x equals to y square in equation 1 becomes 8y square minus 9y plus 1 equals to 0. Now students, 8 into y square minus 9y plus 1 equals to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation with the coefficient a is equals to 8, b is equals to minus 9 and c is equals to 1. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation for the value of y. For this I am going to apply the method of factorization, and with the help of the midterm breaking, my equation becomes 8 into y square minus 8y minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now students, take the common 8y from the first two term and minus 1 from the next two term. Equation becomes 8y into y minus 1 minus 1 into y minus 1 equals to 0. Now further, y minus 1 is again common in this equation, so equation becomes y minus 1 into 8y minus 1 equals to 0. As the product of these two numbers equals to 0, so either y minus 1 equals to 0 or 8y minus 1 equals to 0. This will give us the value of y is equals to 1 or y is equals to 1 over 8. But students, in the beginning of our question we said that 2 raised to power x equals to 1. So now we will write it down that 2 raised to power x equals to 1 or 2 raised to power x is equals to 1 over 8. Now we have to solve these equations for the values of x. For this, first let's take 2 raised to power x equals to 1. Now students, I write it down the equation 2 raised to power x equals to 1 in the form 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 0. You know that if any number have power equals to 0, that is equals to 1. So 1 can be written in the form 2 raised to power 0. And if we have the bases same, then the power are also same. So from here we have x equals to 0. Now students, we are going to take 2 raised to power x equals to 1 over 8. 1 over 8 can be written in the form of 8 raised to power minus 1. And further 8 can be written in the form of 2 cube. So equation becomes 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power minus 3. Now students, again the bases are same. So x is equals to minus 3. Now we have the solution set, that is equals to 0 and minus 3. Now students, we will move to the type 5 of the reducible equation. These are the equation of the form x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d equals to k. And the students, here a condition is applied, that is a plus b should be equals to c plus d. Now look at an example. In the example we have x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 8 into x plus 5 equals to 19. Students, but for making it type 5 of the reducible equation, we have to satisfy our condition that a plus b should be equal to c plus d. For this, we will rearrange our equation, and after rearranging, our equation becomes x minus 1 into x plus 8 and x plus 2 into x plus 5 equals to 19. Now here you can able to see that minus 1 plus 8 gives us answer 7, and on the other side 2 plus 5 also give us the answer equals to 7. So now this is the type 5 of the reducible equation. Now look at that question number 15 of exercise 1.3. The question is x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 7 equals to 192. Students, for the solution of this equation, the first thing which we have to check is this, that either our condition that a plus b is equal to c plus d is fulfilled or not. If it is not fulfilled, then the first step is to rearrange our equation. For rearranging our equation, we have to follow the rule that a plus b should be equals to c plus d. For this purpose, I rearrange my equation in these groups. X plus 1 make a group with x minus 5 and x plus 3 make the group with x minus 7, and this will be give us plus 1 minus 5 equals to minus 4, and plus 3 and minus 7 is also equals to minus 4. So students, now our equation is x plus 1 into x minus 5, x plus 3 into x minus 7 equals to 192. Now we have to multiply these two terms, and we have to multiply these two terms. So our equation becomes x square minus 4x minus 5 into x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 192. This is our equation number 1. Now students, here you have to observe one very important thing, that in both of these expressions, the first two terms are the same, x square minus 4x and x square minus 4x. Now we will put the x square minus 4x equals to y. This is our substitution here. After putting x square minus 4x equals to y in equation number 1, our equation 1 becomes y minus 5 into y minus 21, that is equals to 192. Now students, we have this equation that y minus 5 into y minus 21 equals to 192. Now we will multiply both of these terms. So after multiplying, equation becomes y into y minus 21 minus 5 into y minus 21 equals to 192. Further, after simplification, equation becomes y square minus 21y minus 5y plus 105 equals to 192. Then this 192 will be shifted on the other side of equality sign. Equation becomes y square minus 26y plus 105 minus 192 equals to 0. And after further simplification, our equation becomes the general form of the quadratic equation, that is y square minus 26y minus 87 equals to 0. Now students, we will apply the method of factorization here. So with the help of midterm breaking, my equation becomes y square minus 29y plus 3y minus 87 equals to 0. Now I am going to take the common y from the first two terms and 3 from the next two terms. So my equation becomes y into y minus 29 plus 3 into y minus 29 equals to 0. Y minus 29 is again common from here. So equation becomes y minus 29 into y plus 3 equals to 0. Now as the product of these two terms equals to 0, so either y minus 29 is equals to 0 or y plus 3 is equals to 0. These will give us the value of y is equals to 29 or y is equals to minus 3. But students, x square minus 4x equals to y, and we have y is equals to 29 or y is equals to minus 3. So now first we will solve our equation with y is equals to 29. So equation becomes x square minus 4x equals to 29. This 29 will be shifted on the other side of equality sign. Then it becomes the general form of quadratic equation, x square minus 4x minus 29 equals to 0. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to minus 29. I am going to apply here quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a. By putting the value of a, b, c in the formula, equation becomes x equals to plus in minus into minus 4 plus minus under the root minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 29 over 2 into 1. When we further simplify it, x equals to 4 plus minus under the root 16 plus 116 over 2. Now it can further write it down 4 plus minus under the root 132 over 2. Under the root 132 can be written in the form 2 under the root 33. Now students, x is equals to 4 plus minus 2 under the root 33 over 2. 2 is common between these two terms, so we will write it down 2 into 2 plus minus under the root 33 over 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, so x is equals to 2 plus minus under the root 33. Now students, we will solve our equation x square minus 4x with y is equals to minus 3. So it is x square minus 4x equals to minus 3 now. This minus 3 is again shifted on the other side of equality sign. So it is again a quadratic formula now, a quadratic equation here, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now students, we will apply the method of factorization here. So after the midterm breaking, our equation becomes x square minus x minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Take common x from the first two term and minus 3 from the next two term. Equation becomes x into x minus 1 minus 3 into x minus 1 equals to 0. Now again x minus 1 is common here, so equation becomes x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Now students, either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0, because the product of these two terms is equals to 0. Now we can find the value of x from here, so x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 3. Finally, we have a solution set for our given equation, that is 1, 3, 2 plus minus under the root 33. Now students, your task is to complete the exercise 1.3. Next time, inshallah, we will start our new exercise. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz.